Welcome to Marieta Islands. I will be trekking to the famous Playa del Amor, or simply known as the Hidden Beach, a rare, beautiful crater in the Mexican Pacific Ocean. Also, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. From Sayulita, you can travel to Punta Mita by bus or taxi to start your island adventure. Once the boat gets close to Marieta Islands, you will have to jump into the water and swim approximately 200 feet to get to the hidden beach. All swimmers will be equipped with life vests, snorkel masks, and a helmet, which is mandatory by the tour company. It is also recommended to have good swimming abilities and stamina for the swim over. The only way to see the islands is to book a tour, which includes a boat with a roof, a trained captain, a tour guide, life vests, snorkel equipment, and a cooler with water and soft drinks. This whole trip is approximately 3 hours, and since this is a national park, respect to the nature and surroundings is required. These beautiful islands bring people from all over the world and is one of the most photographed places in Mexico. You will have a time limit on each island you visit to preserve the nature and natural habitat of this protected national park and UNESCO World Heritage Site. On the hidden beach, you will have about 30 minutes. Then you will be taken to snorkel for another 30 minutes, followed by a visit to the last island for approximately 30 minutes as well. The rest of the islands are off limits to visitors and non-invasive activities. Absolutely no alcohol, drinks, or food are allowed on the islands. If you love birdwatching, this is the perfect trip. See the famous blue-footed bobby, a rare species only found in 2 places in the world. If you choose just to stay on the boat, it will tour around the amazing rock formation, rare animal species, and beautiful island views for you to enjoy. My favorite part about this trip was when the boat stopped for us to see a family of humpback whales swimming. You can only see them certain times of the year. My trip to Mexico this time was during the winter season. Even though Marieta Islands are one of the most photographed places in Mexico, it's an amazing opportunity to see wildlife, rare landscape, and the stunning humpback whales that inhabit the area. Sayulita, Mexico is one of my favorite places in the world, with so much to see and do, with the endless day trips and stunning views that will keep you coming back for more. I hope you enjoyed my Mexico Sayulita series and all the experiences I had. There will be more adventures and countries for you to watch and enjoy on Trekking Beyond.